Howdy, my people is. Well, okay, so, few updates. ADBA decided to reclassify him as an American bully because of his mother's bloodlines, but Embark, UKC, and ADBA's DNA tests all said he's American Pit Bull Terrier. And so I am going with what the DNA tests say. And UKC has agreed to keep him registered with them as American Pit Bull Terrier. So ADBA is out, except for their DNA certificate, which I'm going to keep. But the other, their registration paper stuff, I might just trash. I don't know. But otherwise, he's still, by DNA and by UKC, still American Pit Bull Terrier. So, leaving it at that, I guess. But it's been a hectic last couple of weeks about this because I think ADBA made a big mistake here, disregarding the DNA results. I really think that they, in his case, should have been like, heck with the bloodlines. If all 3 DNA tests have shown what he is, then we'll stick with that. But no, they decided bloodlines were more important for some strange reason. But UKC seems to think that DNA means something, so that's good. Anyway, so yeah, we're just out here enjoying a nice warmish day and getting some exercise. So, later, y'all.